It's still unclear when the Constitutional Court will deliver its ruling on President Yoon Suk Yeol's impeachment. If a date isn't announced by Wednesday, which is today, observers say it's likely the ruling won't be made this week. Our Soo-young starts us off.
3 weeks and counting. The Constitutional Court has yet to announce when it will rule on President Yoon Suk Yeol's impeachment, meaning there may be no verdict this week. It took at most 2 weeks for former presidents Park Geun-hye and Moo-hyun, but there has been no word from the court as of Wednesday, 22 days since Yoon's final trial hearing was held. The chance that the verdict will be delivered this Friday is looking slimmer, given that the court notified former leaders 2 to 3 days in advance of their respective ruling dates. The 8-member bench was reportedly convening even on Tuesday to deliberate on Yoon's impeachment, despite holding a trial hearing for Justice Minister Park Sung-jae. The longer-than-expected process has given rise to diverse speculations over what's holding up the justices. Some experts believe they have already decided unanimously to impeach President Yoon and are fine-tuning their positions to deliver an indisputable judgment, amid fears that the result may trigger extreme reactions from the public. The Seoul Western District Court's approval to extend a warrant to detain Yoon prompted violence from his supporters. Some believe the bench may be divided ideologically and are struggling to align their views, given how an earlier impeachment case of Korea Communications Commission Chair Lee Jin-suk was dismissed, as the justices' opinions were split evenly in line with their political orientations. In any case, the justices are facing growing calls to make a swift decision, as Yoon's prolonged suspension from office hinders effective governance of the nation. The bench is also under significant political pressure. Those supporting Yoon's impeachment wish to quickly trigger a snap presidential election, which polls show would largely favour opposition Democratic Party leader Lee Jae-myung. Meanwhile, conservatives, including Yoon's supporters, are calling for the case to be dismissed, or for the court to deliver a ruling after Lee Jae-myung's own verdict on one of his 5 criminal cases next Tuesday. If at least 6 justices agree to uphold the presidential impeachment, Yoon will be removed from office immediately, triggering an early election that must be held within 60 days. If at least 3 are against impeachment, the president will resume his duties. Soo-young, Arirang News.